Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can set up Google OAuth in N8N. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, log in to your N8N account, and once done, go to Personal, and then click on the workflow that you want to work on. Then, we're going to add first step, and we're going to search Google. We're going to choose any of these that we want to use for this project. And for this video, we're going to click on Google Drive. Then use a trigger. And then on the drop-down menu, we're going to click on Create New Credential. Now, as you can see, it says that it's OAuth 2 recommended. So, first thing that we need to do is to copy this OAuth redirect URL. And then on a new tab, we're going to go on our Google Cloud and click on Console. Now, from here, since we are working on Google Drive, we're going to search Google Drive on the tab above. And we're going to click on Google Drive API. And then we're going to click on Enable. After clicking on Google Drive API and enabling it, we're going to go on this window, and then we're going to click on Credentials here. And then we're going to create credentials choosing the OAuth Client ID option. From here, on the application type, we're going to choose Web Application. And then, if you remember the redirect URL that we copied from N8N, we're going to paste it here. After pasting, click on Create. And then, this would be the client ID and the client secret. Make sure to keep this information to yourself. Now, copy the client ID and the client secret on your N8N workflow. And after that, you would be able to sign in with Google. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!